Alrighty, here's today's job. Nothing too spectacular, just doing a little maple pruning on this new construction site. I gotta do that tree over there and this one. Anyways, the main thing I wanna check out today is my Silky Tsurugi. I used it just a touch yesterday, but I'm excited to give it a try. It's a straight blade. It's pretty long, but anyway, it looks pretty badass, so I can't wait to try it out. Alright, we're going to give her a try on this dead limb here. One thing I really like about it is I can fit it into these little tight spots like this. I think it looks pretty good. Like this little limb here. Nice and sharp. Yeah, I like it. I really like this scabbard. It's got these rollers on it. And it locks in there. It's got these little knobs. So it locks in there. It's pretty sweet. Okay, so I'm right up at the top of this little maple. I'm going to try cook this scabbard out. Ooh, I like this. I can fit it right in there. I couldn't have with my Sugoi. I'm a limber. Nice. Back in my handy little scabbard. I'm liking this thing. Okay. Here's a good tester limb, nice hard maple. It's a little rocky, so I like this saw. Might be a little long. Pruning like this for removal. Pretty sweet. Some bushes and you probably can't see, but it's a tight little spot. In there. Getting a bit right on here. I like this saw. Really like it. Okay, so I've been trying to hurry because I'm working right above that. It smells pretty bad up here. Anyhow, my job's not always smells like roses. A little fine pruning here. Yeah, okay. So that's what I really like about this saw. It's so thin, man. You can get it in some tight spots and it's got a nice long stroke. I like it. So, pretty good little trial of the Tsurugi. Anyways, still not sure how I like this saw pod on here. I want to mount it up here a little higher, but this thing's in the way. Anyhow, I'll get that figured out, but I really like how it locks in there. Pretty sweet. I really like how slim it is, and I like how it fits in nice tight areas. Got nice long blade for bigger stuff.